Well, Grand Design didn't make this easy. So you're shopping Grand Design Class B motorhomes and you notice there's an LVP1 and an LVT1. Which one is right for you? Well, behind me today, we're gonna go through some of those differences. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Can't wait to get in it. Come along with us. So just a note, from here on out, the LVT1, we're just gonna call it the T. The LVP1, we're just gonna call it the P. So make sure your sound is up. I like to stutter and mumble so you can figure out which one I'm referring to, the T or the P. All right, so getting into this, the first obvious difference is the chassis. On the T, or your adventure wagon, if you want to call it, is the Ford Transit. We have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost that pumps out 310 horsepower, 400 pounds of torque, 10-speed transmission, and more importantly, this is all-wheel drive. On the P model, we have the Ram ProMaster chassis with a 3.6 liter V6, 276 of horsepower, 250 pounds of torque, 9-speed transmission, and it's front wheel drive. So the storage philosophy varies just a little bit different. On the T model, going after you guys that are adventurers, you're gonna get more storage on the exterior. For example, the nice roof rack, as well as some really aggressive LED lights for trailblazing, as well as a rack on the door. On the P model, or for you travelers, they emphasize more storage inside. For example, around the booth, the pantry, storage overhead of the driver and the passenger seats. Let's jump inside because they definitely have a different feel. The rear of the P model is really awesome, as you can sleep up to 4 if you want to. As you guys can see, we have a full booth back here that can sit actually up to 6 people. There is a centerpiece that you can make at a U-shaped booth. As well as above me, there's a bed that comes down. But let's go ahead and show you how you quickly can set this up into sleeping area. So we don't have all the pieces in place, but just for a quick visual, here's the base to your bottom bed. As far as the top bed, it's easy peasy with the push of a button. So the rear of the T model, of course, as you guys can see, is really set up for a large space for storage, bikes, kayaks, anything tall that you may need. We have a lot of overhead cabinets, as well as tons of storage, even a little laundry chute here off to the side. We have a drawer that pulls out in case you need to have some space for folded clothes, as well as, of course, your bed. Bonus feature to the T model, movie night is made easy. So in the mid coach of the P model is a bit different. Starting with the galley, we do have a larger galley in this model. You're gonna see, of course, a larger, more counter space. We're gonna have more drawers underneath the sink. And we have a really cool pantry on the opposite side. Above that, an air fryer microwave, as well as a larger refrigerator. In the midship of the T model, we're gonna start with our galley here on the door side. We've got plenty of counter space, a few drawers, even a pull-out trash can drawer, and a nice little bonus feature, a hidden spice rack. Opposite of your galley is your wet bath. 2 hard doors open that you can use for just the toilet only. Swing them all the way open, have your soft curtains. This one also comes with a shower head that pulls out of your bathroom sink, as well as some extra storage behind the toilet. Opposite of the galley is going to be your wet bath. As you guys can see, we have a hard-sided shower doors, rain shower overhead, a backlit vanity, as well as a little window for some ventilation. On the P model, we have a single jump seat behind the driver's seat with a seat belt that is turned sideways, as well as a lagoon table. Up front behind the driver's seat, we have 2 jump seats on this model, both with seat belts, a drawer underneath that pulls out, a rail for the portable table that can also be located outside. On the P model, on the sliding door access, we have the trash can, controls, as you guys can see, for your induction stovetop and your lighting and such, as well as a retractable screen. And by the way, note, there's also a screen enclosure for the rear doors. On the sliding door side, you find your refrigerator, easy accessibility from both inside and outside, as well as a rail for that portable table. So is the decision a little easier now? I know you're probably asking, well, Mikey B, which one would you buy? Both great choices, but I'm an adventurer. So guess what? That would be my choice. Hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Comment below, because I'm sure there's some questions I need to get some answers out to everybody. And then show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you out on the trails.